On the 5th and June 6, 2023, the Blur 2.0 project hosted an online meeting dedicated to strengthening board-level participation. The session commenced with a warm welcome to all participants and an introduction to the project's overarching goals. The primary objective of the meeting was to present the results of national studies on board-level employee representation across 6 EU countries: Bulgaria, Poland, Slovakia, Slovenia, Spain, and 2 candidate countries, Serbia and Turkey. Additionally, the meeting aimed to discuss recommendations for amending national legislation to enhance workers' rights and improve the execution of these rights through advocacy actions envisioned in the Blur 2.0 project. Each partner presented key results from their national studies, offering insights into the regulations and practices of workers' participation in management within their respective countries. These presentations highlighted the diversity and commonalities in board-level employee representation across different nations. An in-depth analysis of the German model of co-determination was also shared, illustrating how this model can serve as an inspiration for other EU and candidate countries aiming to enhance their own systems of worker participation. On the second day, the focus shifted to progressing workers' participation rights. Project partners engaged in a workshop to discuss recommendations for extending these rights. Given the varied national contexts, country-specific recommendations were proposed to amend legislation and implement best practices. Despite the absence of some representatives, valuable country-specific recommendations were presented. These suggestions aim to create a more inclusive and participatory environment for workers at the board level. In the concluding session, attention turned to the advocacy actions planned within the Blur 2.0 project. These include national online roundtables, advocacy campaigns involving meetings with legislative representatives, viral campaigns, articles, and a final conference. Partners discussed how these initiatives could be tailored to their national context to effectively promote the recommended changes. The meeting wrapped up with a summary of the Blur systems in the partner countries and a review of the next steps in the project. Key dates and future activities were reiterated, ensuring that all partners are aligned on the path forward.